China is trying to colonize Buddhism. Nearly 30 years ago, the Chinese government kidnapped a 6-year-old boy, Gedhun Choekyi Nyima, just 3 days after he was recognized as the reincarnation of Tibet's 11th Panchen Lama. And this is the imposter the CCP installed. Now, the Chinese government is bringing this fake propaganda puppet who only parrots the CCP's lies to Lumbini, Nepal, the birthplace of the Buddha, to attend the South China Sea Buddhism Roundtable. Why? Because Tibetans inside and outside Tibet have completely rejected this false Chinese imposter. So the CCP organized this sham of a Buddhist conference in order to assert their authority over Tibetan Buddhism and across Asia. This propaganda conference comes just days after the Nepalese Prime Minister met Xi Jinping and signed on to receive a record amount of development aid through the multi-billion-dollar Belt and Road Initiative. The Panchen Lama plays a key role in recognizing the next Dalai Lama. So this trip aims to legitimize China's fake imposter in the eyes of the Buddhist world, so China can one day install their own false Dalai Lama. Yet, despite 70 years of violent colonization, Tibetans inside Tibet have time and time again resisted interference in their spiritual life. China is trying to control Tibetan Buddhism, but Tibetans and the international community will never accept the false Panchen Lama, nor China's interference in the reincarnation process.